Learn sounds of French with me. Hello friends, bonjour, welcome to my channel all about life. Today we will learn sounds in French. On commence maintenant. Today we will learn on sound. What we will learn today? On, oui. First one is en. What is it pronounced as? En. Par exemple, dans, dentiste, mon, son, enfant, Jean, vent, enchanté, lentement, maintenant. Maintenant, répétez après moi. Repeat after me. Dans, dentiste, mon, oui, très bien, son, enfant, Jean, vent, très bien, enchanté, lentement, maintenant, très bien. The next is em sound. This is also pronounced as on when it's at the end of the word, but it will give a little of am sound when it's in between the word. Okay? Ça va? Examples: temps, ensemble, longtemps, printemps, temple, emploi, membre, semble, remplir, septembre. Encore une fois avec moi. Ça va? Once again with me. Temps, ensemble, oui, très bien, longtemps, printemps, temple, emploi, membre, semble, remplir, septembre. Ça va? C'est clair? If you like my videos, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. For learning French with me, today's keyword is bonjourne. What is it? Bonne journée. This is same as good day, but it's used only when someone leaves and you have to wish him good day. Clear your doubts in the comment box. Check the description box for French apps, games and many more. Press the bell icon for my latest videos. Au revoir, merci, à bientôt.